Khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan rasipi da ka umsingam beats aqua na molai moro hakajingdap sunsnem jongka. Rengkat ka 3 Olives Restaurant M Crown Hotel Kendailat Shillong bat ka Orange Nissan Loan So Po Shillong. One bantiet ya ka kali Datsun Ready Go bathamai ka bas bat bidor.
Ke Kongres kabasong hakalyang persya hakakhat artrik unai weng arjar arpo kala keno baka Sorkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance balayalam da ke National People's Party kala luti paj ye kapisa jong pajma da kabale don bor hakabayadei bat ka jingkot tender hakatanat boarding unong yalam jong kalyang persya u Dr. Mukul Sangma habakren sikilat pathai khubor uladawa badai bantung da ka jingto kit halor kani lada ka Sorkar kam sange shisendon yakani ka kamle don bor hagajo ko por ulo ongru balada ka Sorkar MDA kadang yai petenghi yakani ka jingle don bor hapo katanat sam boarding jong ka jela kaseng Kongres kambansi ban yat shakmat da ka linti ka bating kata wat hadu uput ban mudoi da ka ejahar shakipulin
to really, loot the state has to be exposed. He is filing a petition only because he is disqualified, no? And you look at that other project in ADB funded project, that smart metering. Only one successful bidder. So this is the manipulation which is going on. You already had that Subhagya scheme. What happened in Subhagya scheme? The agri party, one of the agri parties whose technical bid was disqualified, he approached the Honorable High Court. So in the process, the respondent, which is your MECL, they had to respond. Now, the Honorable High Court stayed the whole process of tendering. Then, subsequently what happened? The input suggested that there was a tremendous pressure on the bidder who had gone to the court, seeking the intervention of the Honorable High Court. But since the High Court fixed the date for next hearing, and then they realized that there were loopholes. And interestingly, in the petition filed by the government as a respondent, there were few paras which were complete lie. Because the lie indicated in the petition is that they tried to convince, and they lied in the House also. What did they say? They said because of the timeline, because the money will go back to Government of India. This is how they lied to the House. And this is exactly how they lied before the Honorable High Court. It is there in the petition. They have lied. So you can imagine if they can lie in their affidavit or in petition, then what is the gravity of the allegation?